Hi, my name is Abhishek Pendurkar. I am a retail jeweler from Mumbai and I have taken Vastu consultancy services from Sangeeta Mishra. She has been very helpful in helping me to understand the problem in my house and my business premise. For several years, I was not able to find out what exactly was the Vastu Dosh in my properties. However, after having one to one session with her and getting proper consultation, I was able to correct the Vastu Dosh in my business premise as well as my house with Vastu pyramids and the rituals that she asked me to do on every single day has helped me come out of my problems and given me much relief as compared to the previous experiences. And I thank Sangeeta Mishra from the bottom of my heart for giving me a new direction in life through Vastu pyramids. Thank you.
मैं स्मिता संघवी बीएनआई में पहला 1-to-1 संगीता मिश्रा जी से हुआ। मैंने उनसे काफ़ी कुछ लिया, जैसे पारा फायर, स्टडी कुशन, फॉर्चून गोल्ड क्लॉक। ये सभी अपने आप में एक प्रतीक है। पारा फायर से मेरे बेटे रौनक का रुका हुआ वर्क परमिट मिल जाना, मेरे बीएनआई में 35,000 2-3 महीने में कवर होना। संगीता जी, कहीं ना कहीं पिरामिड हमारी सारी विशेष पूरी करता है, हमें ब्रह्मांड से जुड़े हुए रखता है। अपने विशेष और ब्रह्मांड से जुड़े हुए रहना है तो आप संगीता मिश्रा जी से जुड़े हुए रहिए। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, this is a testimonial for Vastu consultant Sangeeta Mishra. I had recently availed services from her for my personal Vastu consultancy. Let me be very precise and to the point that whatever consultancy that you have with her is kept very confidential and it is always to the point. She speaks always to the point and her work ethics is quite commendable as well. And believe me, I have already started reaping benefits from the money yantra which she had given it to me. So those who are still in a dilemma that whether they should go forward and avail the services or not, I would strongly recommend approach Sangeeta Mishra for your own personal and for your home Vastu consultancy as well. I am also recommending it to my friends and family. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Monica and I have a jewelry business and I'm from Delhi. I did a hobby course from Sangeeta a long time back, like 6 months back. As a hobby, I just learned this personal Vastu from Sangeeta ji and she taught me very beautifully. And with her teaching, I have helped many of my friends by prescribing them fortune card and some pyra instruments. So they have also benefited a lot. She is a gem of person. Whenever I feel low or whenever I feel negative, I just take consultation from her and she motivate me a lot. Actually, this is the time I am not feeling well and I am isolated in my room, and you can say I am having symptom of COVID, but still yesterday only we had a call and she motivated me a lot. And with this pyra fire instrument, I have fulfilled my many wishes and this has helped my friends and relatives too. So thank you again to Sangeeta ma'am for helping me. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम रितेश धरू है। मैं सबरी कैटर से हूँ। मैंने संगीता मिश्रा जी से अपना पर्सनल वास्तु करा के लिया है, जिसमें उन्होंने मेरे लिए लकी कलर्स, चैलेंजेस, मेरे वीकनेसेस थे, मेरी जो भी मेरी कमियाँ थी या जो भी मेरी खूबियाँ थी, वो उन्होंने बखूबी मुझे समझाया और एक लाइफ के बारे में नया पहलू दिया। और उनके जो सुझाव थे उसके ऊपर काम करने पर मुझे बहुत ही जल्दी एक हफ्ते के अंदर ही मुझे कुछ अच्छे रिजल्ट्स दिखने लगे और काफ़ी हद तक इम्प्रूवमेंट आया। तो मैं हर किसी को उनकी सर्विसेज लेने के लिए रिकमेंड करता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Good morning everyone. I am Jyoti Agarwal. I am a member of BNI and my chapter name is Impeccable. My category is diamond jewelry and gemstones. I would like to share my experience of the consultancy which I have taken under Sangeeta ji. It is a very good experience and I have started doing things as recommended by her and I started feeling positive, more calmness in me, and I feel The way she is guiding us, the time she is giving us is very good, and it's truly appreciated, and the charges also is very reasonable, and at the same time you are getting the good results as well. Though I am still in the stage to get my results, but still by this time also I can surely tell you, you should consult her once for your problems. You will definitely find out better solutions with her. Thank you so much.